Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by getting the network and app ready. Connect the My TV to your Wi-Fi and confirm it has internet access. Slow Wi-Fi causes buffering. Once connected, check for system and YouTube updates because newer builds fix playback and DRM. Make sure you're signed into the YouTube app with your Google account for subscriptions and recommendations. You can also use guest mode if preferred. Now navigate to the YouTube app icon and open it to reach the home screen. Next, decide how you'll play content. The built-in YouTube app gives the cleanest interface and direct remote control, so prefer it when available. If you want to cast, put your phone and TV on the same Wi-Fi network, open the YouTube app on your phone, tap the cast icon, and choose the My TV device, casting hands-off playback control to the TV. If your remote isn't paired, go to Settings and pair Bluetooth. Also enable AirPlay or Chromecast features if you plan to. Finally, start playback and fine-tune the experience. Select a video and use the player gear to pick quality. Lower quality reduces buffering on slow connections. Enable subtitles or change playback speed as needed, and use your remote volume or TV audio settings for sound. If a video won't play, first restart the My TV and router. If that doesn't help, clear the YouTube app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupt data. If problems persist, check network firewall or ISP restrictions and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.